Introduction to Apple Health and Sleep Tracking.
The previous user message is a built-in app on iPhones that helps you monitor various aspects of your well-being, including your sleep patterns, and make informed choices for better sleep. Let's explore how you can use the app to improve your sleep quality.
Setting up sleep monitoring in Apple Health.
To get started, open the Apple Health app and tap the Browse tab. Select Sleep from the list of health categories. Here, you can set up your sleep schedule by entering your typical bedtime and wake-up time. The app can send reminders to help you stay consistent, which supports healthier sleep habits.
Tracking your sleep data.
Apple Health gathers sleep data from your iPhone, Apple Watch, or compatible third-party sleep trackers. With your device worn or nearby, it records your time in bed and estimates your time asleep. This data appears in easy-to-read graphs, so you can quickly spot patterns in how long and how well you're sleeping.
Understanding sleep insights and trends.
The Sleep section in Apple Health shows various insights like sleep duration, consistency, and average bedtime. By reviewing these trends over weeks and months, you can identify habits that support or hinder good sleep. If needed, you can adjust your routine and monitor how those changes affect your rest.
Tips for improving sleep with Apple Health.
Use the insights from Apple Health to set achievable sleep goals and routines. Activate wind down and sleep mode to reduce distractions before bed. If you use an Apple Watch, enable sleep tracking for more comprehensive data. Reviewing your progress regularly in Apple Health can help you develop habits for better, more restful sleep.